Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Linkorb, and today I'm gonna be unboxing Sonic Mania Collector's Edition. Didn't f up, that's important. I ordered this in September 1 year ago, and I'm finally getting it. Inside of this cardboard box is another upside down cardboard box that is opening. Okay, this is pretty much exactly the same as the outside covering box. It's got the Welco Metot Hinex Tileville on both sides. The main difference is that it says it's for Steam. Yep, and then on the back of this one, there's not all this information and stuff. Oh, and this side has a lot more stuff. It says everything that comes with it, and it doesn't have the information on that one. This is my very first unboxing video. Hopefully, the first of many to come. I enjoy watching unboxing videos, and I hope people enjoy watching my unboxing videos. Especially when I get cool stuff like this. Alright, what's all in here? A piece of paper. I actually like how they did this opening. Oh hey, there's my Steam key. Yeah, that's my Steam key. Guess what? I'm not gonna let you see it. Right, one last look at all that before I start getting this stuff out. There you go. I want to keep this stuff nice, so I'm going to just gently set it off to the side. And I'm going to get this card out. This is what I originally thought the Steam key was going to be on, but just looks like it's a metal card. Sonic Mania! Fun is infinite. I like that. Ah, sweet. Here's the game case that has a gold ring inside.
Even comes with a gold ring for that special someone in your life. She said yes. Congrats, you two.
I'm just gonna put that back in there. Keep it nice. And now, le piece of la resistance. Alone on a Friday night? No problem. I got me a Sonic the Hedgehog statue from Sonic Mania. Got a little scuff there. Something. Dang, it's got crap all over it. What the hell? It's got high definition graphics though. Pretty cool. I thought I heard that it's supposed to say Sega. It's not saying Sega. And then this LED right here, I heard that's actually an LED that actually works. It's just not hooked up to anything at the moment. No Sega. I've got some batteries in my Sonic Mania statue now, so I'm gonna hit the switch and you can hear it say Sega. Sega! Heck yeah. This is gonna go onto my shelf. Along with the box. It's going to look very nice there. And I'm going to enjoy finally getting to play Sonic Mania on PC, which has been delayed. Sonic Mania holds any tackle box. I put a tackle box on top of it. I don't got a tackle box. Also, I'm not going to crack an egg, dump it all over this because I want to keep it looking nice. And I'm not going to spill wine anymore because that's just going to piss everyone off at me. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. This has been Link Orb unboxing Sonic Mania Collector's Edition for PC. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit a like if you want to see more unboxing videos. And subscribe if you want to see more content from me. Whatever you do, don't go back to my old channel because that's just full of cringe. Okay. I think that is good enough.